Hey, I'm Joel Lim, as seen on Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, MSN, and more. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you why energy stocks are the next big thing for 2024. There's a global push for clean, renewable, and sustainable energy. With climate change and global warming on everyone's minds, companies are under pressure to meet ESG standards. That means energy stocks are shaping up to be the best investment sweet spot for this year. First up, we have Cheniere Energy. This American giant is a natural gas liquefaction powerhouse with some of the largest platforms in the world. They've got top notch facilities in Louisiana and Texas and plan to expand internationally. Why Cheniere? Well, natural gas is cheaper and more transportable than coal. Turning it into liquid form is a complex process, but Cheniere handles it seamlessly with their advanced infrastructure. If they expand globally, their value could skyrocket. They've had a solid financial year, generating $4.3 billion in revenue and half a billion in net income in the last quarter. Impressive, right? Next, let's talk about NextEra Energy, a leader in renewable energy. They specialize in producing electricity from wind and solar, making them a fantastic pick for the energy transition. NextEra is ahead of the curve. They partnered with Entergy to develop 4.5 gigawatts of new solar and energy storage projects, aiming to deliver low-cost renewable energy across states like Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, and Mississippi. Financially, they're crushing it too. In the recent quarterly report, they posted $2.268 billion and $1.873 billion in earnings, up from last year's $2.086 billion and $1.678 billion. So, if you're looking to bolster up your portfolio, Cheniere Energy and NextEra Energy are absolute must-haves. Get ahead of the curve and invest in the future of energy today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more investment insights, go to Trading.Biz. See you next time.